for balance condition of Wheatstone grid. I topic here now title no matter continue for balance condition. Let's start. We had take the dog I don't remember. I will draw very shortly. You can draw it in more ways, all give you the same result. Alright. So this is it. Okay, this is C1, C3, C4. Out then it's possible that you might even connect it with some battery, no problem. And here there is a B, A, B, D, E, F. So, and this is C5. So, what is meaning of balance condition? VB is equal to VF. Okay? Okay or not okay? Here meaning the first. So, we can say for capacitor number 5, voltage is 0. Why 0? Voltage means what? Voltage of capacitor means potential difference between the positive plate and the negative plate. These two are at same potential. VB equal to VF. Correct or not correct? Everyone got that? So the difference of these two, the voltage for these two is 0. Got it? Got it or not clear? VB is equal to VF. So VB minus VF is equal to 0. Fine. Now if a capacitor has 0 voltage, how much charge will it store? Voltage have you. How much charge will it store? 0. Why 0? Q equal to C. V is 0. Q is also 0. So J capacitor charges store no kare. Eनु shu karvanu? It is of no use. Clear or not? That is whether the capacitor is there or not. It makes absolutely no difference. Okay? In the wire is no connected, then also it will give you the same. How to prove molecule? What that? What that? We can remove something. Okay, second. We can remove C5 and it still makes no difference. Is that okay? Right. But for the time being, I'm going to draw it back and let's start. Okay. So, if I use Kirchhoff voltage law, for a loop A, B, F, G, A. Do you see the loop? A, B, F, G, A. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. This side of the capacitor will be positive, that side will be negative. Positive, negative. Clear? Yes, no? Yes. Same positive, opposite. Fine? Everything clear so far? Yes. So let's start. A to B. See, you are going from higher potential to lower potential. So I should write minus V1. Voltage for first step. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Yes. Okay. Plus. Now we have to go from VB to VF. 0. Potential difference. See, what are we doing when we use Kirchhoff voltage law? We are adding potential differences. Yes or no? Yes. So A to B looking at minus V1 because we are going from higher potential to lower potential. Now B to F, both are at same potential. So how much difference? 0. That's why 0. So with third, F to G, you are going from lower potential to higher potential. So that's same thing. Plus V2. Is that clear? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Is equal to 0 because now there is nothing here. There is nothing here. Clear? Clear or not clear? Clear. Okay, so we get what? V1 is equal to V2. Got it? Therefore, I can write Q1 by C1 equal to Q2 by C2. Got that? Yes or no? Yes. Now, let's look at this. Do you see some kind of isolated system here between the plates and all that? Do you see some part which is not connected anywhere? The Correct or not?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure. જેટલું મેં માર્ક કર્યું. This is insulator. Here is insulator and here is also insulator. So this T shape is not connected anywhere. Clear?
Yes.
And touch the name. Got that? Absolutely clear. Achha, so if it's not connected anywhere, the total charge should be 0. Why? Because earlier it would be 0. When you don't connect battery, and circuit बनाने लगे, it's not storing charge. So all the charges will be 0. Yeah, the same way. Isolated system must do that. Fine or not fine? Sure. So that way you can say that if this is negative plate, it stores minus Q1 charge, and this is positive plate, and positive is the it will store plus Q3 charge, and this will always store 0 charge. Why? Starting में लिखो जे. Okay, V50, so charge will also be 0. I hope that is clear. Right? So if this is minus Q1, that is Q3. So by law of conservation of charge for this system, initially all charges were 0. After connecting battery also, total charge should be 0. Did you understand this? Pehla અહીંયા 0, અહીંયા 0, અહીંયા 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
And nothing was connected. પછી અહીંયા minus કર્યું, અહીંયા plus કર્યું, અહીંયા 0. Got it? Law of conservation of charge. Total initial charge is same as total final charge. That's always with that. Q1 is equal to Q2. Clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Q1 equal to Q3. Fine. Okay, now just like by taking a loop here, we got that V1 equal to V2. એવું જ અહીંયા કરો. Okay, see, it's a similar idea. I will not repeat it in full detail. જેવું અહીંયા જેવું જ આમાં થાય ને, if you go like this. So by taking another loop, we can okay, over here also just one before we finish. Similarly, do you realize I can say Q2 is equal to Q4? Similarly, do you realize we can say Q2 equal to Q4? Correct or not correct?
Yes.
No. Sure. Or not sure?
Yes.
આવી સિસ્ટમ અહીંયા નીચે દેખાય? Yes. Make sense? Same idea here. અહીંયા શું આવશે? Minus Q2. અહીંયા શું આવશે? Plus Q4. અહીંયા આવશે 0. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Then over here, just like we took one loop here and we got that, and we will get here V3 equal to V2. Make sense? Get there, V3 equal to V2. Kirchhoff voltage law over here, right? So that would give me Q3 by C3 equal to Q4 by C4. But what is Q3? Q1. What is Q4? Q2. If I use that here. Raise your hand if you understood that step using these two relations. Q1 is Q3 and Q2 is Q4. So we put it. अब यहाँ पे relation देगा. Call it 1, 2. Call it 1 and 2. So if we divide them, the relations, let's divide them. So that Q1 cancel. If we divide 1 by 2, okay, dividing equation 1 by 2, this upon this. So I will just say C3 upon C1 on left hand. Yes or no? The right hand also. C4 upon C2. Okay. Alright? Sure. હવે એને rearrange કરવું તો what do we get? C1 upon C2 is equal to C3 upon C4. They will prove. Okay. There are some other subtle or simpler ways to understand some of these steps. That's my exact proof. Earlier we have learned that you can remove this, then also it's going to be fine. Correct or not? Suppose I am the pattern. So always do that. Anything in series? What is in series? So their charges have to be understood or not understood. Okay, similarly this and this are in series, so their charges have to be same. समझ पड़ी गई अब ऐसे बीजी रीते clear. If you remove this then those are in series. Got it? Yes. Okay, then if you want to get to this આ કાઢ નાખો ને તો આખું એક કામ લઈ લો ને તો just take one loop starting from A, B, D, E, F, G, H. Right? Then using these relations you'll be able to get to this. Fine. Okay. How say chapter 3 for resistor. Alright. Okay, but yeah, for resistors it's little simpler to understand because you don't have charges and all that, and anyway students find resistors easier than capacitors. કારણ કે થોડું 10th માં આવી એટલે બરાબર તમને બેસતું હોય. Right? Nevertheless, so these are the things for Wheatstone bridges. So Wheatstone bridge. How do you identify a bridge? Let's go through it again. If there are two branches and there is a cross connection between the branches, then it's called Wheatstone bridge. Clear? Okay, when it's a balanced Wheatstone bridge, we have this condition that this upon this will be equal to this upon this. Clear? Okay, and that means you can remove the wire at the center. Even if you remove it, it makes absolutely no difference. Got it? Yes. Okay. Now you check the my question which was yeah. Okay. The question was as follows. All capacitances are C. All capacitances are C, and you have to find out what is the equivalent capacitance. So first thing that you should start by doing is trying to identify series and parallel. Okay, okay, let's label capacitors so we can talk about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, let's start. Goal. What's in series? What's in parallel? 1 and 3 are in series. Clear or not? Yes. Okay, 2 and 4 series. Okay, is this a Wheatstone bridge? Yes or no? Yes. No. दिखावे पे बच जाओ, अपनी अकल लगाओ. Is that clear? What's the rule? When can it be Wheatstone bridge? When there are two branches and what? There is a cross connection. तुम न देखो तो लग लो. I don't know the answer. If there are two branches and there is a cross connection between the branches, only then it's called a bridge or a Wheatstone bridge. Okay or not okay? So here, have a look. From here it splits. Is there a cross connection between the branches? Our branches kya hai na? Upper branch, lower branch. Is there a cross connection between upper and lower branch? Yes or no? It's not there. देखा इसने? आ तो third branch है जो. This is a middle branch. 1, 2, 3. 3 branches. Clear or not? Sure. अच्छा तो आमा तो बहुत easy है. C in series. C by 2. याद है ना formula C by 2. Okay. This and this in series. C by 2. C by 2 and C by 2 in parallel. C and C in parallel. 2C. Is this clear? This is 2C. Clear or not clear? Yes. Sure. Go part 2C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? If you have not got it, draw the steps yourself. Okay, એટલે બધું સમજ પડી જશે. 1 3 series, 2 4 series, પછી બધું parallel માં આવી જશે. Okay, now let's come here. Is this a Wheatstone bridge? Yes. Okay, see, first step to identify. See, you should never start from Wheatstone bridge in a circle. Everyone. એક ક્વેશ્ચનમાં લખેલું નહીં આવે છે સીધું Wheatstone bridge. આ તો મેં તમને કહી દીધું. How do you identify or how do you start approaching a question? સીધું આમ જોઈને Wheatstone bridge એવું નહીં કરવાનું. Look at things. Is anything in series parallel? 6 and 7. How series? Can you go from 6 to 7 without a branch? So they are in parallel. What is required to do? There are three things. One is series, second is parallel, and the third is neither. Okay, they are not in series. Clear? Now what about parallel? How to check? Can one wire from 6 come directly to 7? Yes. What about other wire? How can you join 7 without crossing anything else? No, it's pretty good. Yes or no? Yes. So 6 and 7 are not series and not in parallel. Clear? The problem. The one 6 and 8 series. Neither series not parallel. Series में नहीं. But there is a branch here. समझ पड़े इसके नहीं? Yes. Okay. There is a branch here. यहाँ थी आम जाओ तो बच्चे branch जाओ. आम थी आम जाओ तो यहाँ branch जाओ. Got it? So you cannot go from 6 to 8 without crossing a branch. Clear? That means they are not in series. Parallel. Nothing. एक wire तो जाए, but बीजो wire हम न जाए. Got it? Yes. Everyone gets that? ये वो बता मत है. You see that? गम्मे त्या करो नहीं अंत So what to do? Dead end આવી ગયો ને. So હવે આગળ જ ન થાય. Nothing is in series, nothing in parallel. Then you have two options. One, use Kirchhoff law. मैं तुमने कीधું હતું. They are our last chance or last method. Okay? જ્યાં સુધી બીજું કંઈ પણ થતું હોય ત્યાં સુધી નહીં કરવાનું. Got it? તો હવે Wheatstone bridge છે. Is it a Wheatstone bridge? How do you identify? Branches are there. Yes. And then is there a cross between them? Yes. Yes. Very good. Clear or not clear? Yes. Okay. Now once it is Wheatstone bridge, the next thing is it balanced or not balanced? Balanced હોય તો easy છે. Unbalanced કે not balanced હોય તો પછી Kirchhoff law છે. Is this balanced? How do you know it is balanced? Everything is C. Yes or no? Yes. So C upon C. C upon C. Equal on both sides. Yes. Balanced or not balanced? Yes. Balanced. So શું કરવાનું? What to do if it is balanced? Remove the one in the middle. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. હવે solve કરો. હવે શું છે? R6 and 8 in series? Yes. Yes. So C in series? C by 2. Correct or not? Yes. Sure. Yes. Everyone gets that? Yes. Formula then 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Over here, C by 2 in parallel. C. So ask you C. I think you 2C. They are in પેલા આવે પછી આ છે ને વચ્ચે એક વાયર. Yes or no? What? Final answer. Final answer 2C by 3. Clear? Not 3C by 2. Be careful. Got it? આ તો આટલી વાર લાગે પહેલી વારમાં પછી તો તમે ચેમ્પિયન બની જશો ગમે ત્યાંથી Wheatstone bridge આવી જશો. ઓકે લેટ્સ સોલ્વ a couple of more questions એટલે જરાક તમને ગ્રીપ આવી જાય આ ટોપિક. Find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Find equivalent capacitance between A and B. करो फटाफट। First thing to look for is anything in series or parallel. Done.
So 4 microfarad.
કરું છું. માર તો અલગ જ answer. So I have 60 54 by 23.
बहुत बेटर आंसर है
24 by 5 આવ્યું ને મારે 24 by 5 આવ્યું 24 by 5. Okay, let's see what happens here. First of all, is there anything that is in series or parallel? Okay, number આપી દો ને એટલે easy to talk about. This is capacitor 1 2 3 4. બોલો. Is anything in series or parallel? Yes, no. Sure.
Yes.
Is it a Wheatstone bridge?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
अच्छा दर वखते series parallel no હોય એટલે Wheatstone bridge જ હોય એવું નથી હોતું, so be careful. Okay, this is a Wheatstone bridge, correct? છે કે નહીં? Sure, you see the branches, left right branches, and there is a cross between them, correct or not? Got it? चलो. Is it balanced or not? Wheatstone bridge છે ગયો. Okay, fine. Is it balanced or not? How do we know? We have to take the ratio. આમે લેવાય, don't worry. But yeah, don't go this way. So 2/3, okay. And on that side, 6/9. Same or not same? Clear? So that means balance. Understood or not understood? Clear? આમ જાવ તોય વાંધો નહીં. 2/6 અને આ બાજુ 3/9 gives you same result, correct? So they are balanced. Now if it's balanced, then what to do? So Corano, remove the one at the center and still it doesn't make any difference. Chalo utar do. Chalo હવે શું? Now what next? What is it series? What is parallel? 1 and 3 are in series. Clear? And then 2 and 4 are in series. પછી બે parallel. Got it? કરો. 24 by 5. 24 by 5. શું ગડબડ કહી દી પહેલા બધાએ? You want to know? લાસ્ટમાં સિરીઝ લઈ લીધા બધા સિરીઝ. તો બીજું ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરીને પછી એટલે ઈ થયું ને તો ચારેય ને એક હારે સિરીઝમાં મૂકી દઈશ કઈ જ આન્સર આવશે. Okay or not okay? So don't go by the shape only. Right? Fine. So that's about Wheatstone bridges. Now, another method to simplify circuit, point potential method. See, these are all very useful methods for MCQ, whatever the exam may be. Okay? About point potential method. Now, this whole method works on a simple idea. Is that wherever you have the wire, each point on same ideal wire has same potential. Each point on same ideal wire has same potential. let's start with a simple case of this this idea. Okay. So let's say we have a circuit like this. Okay, we started the lecture late, did we? Okay. So suppose it's like this. Now, થોડું વધારે તમારા માટે drawing complicated છે. This is better. અહીંથી ચાલુ કરીએ. Alright. Okay. So we want to solve what's the equivalent, or we want to find out what's the equivalent capacitance between all of them. Okay. Look at this A, B. A છે. So wherever the wire goes, that's it. Got it? Okay. This is also it. So like this you keep marking point. So do you realize that actually from here to here, everything is between A and A only? After all, series માં છે કે નહીં? Okay, so although the given circuit was like this, the next step we can do to understand is that here if I make this C by 3, suppose all of them are C, C, C. So this is C by 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, now here is also point A. So do you see this capacitor C by 3 made from this is actually between A and A because it actually goes like this. So what is the potential difference for this capacitor? 0. 0 or not 0?
Yes.
Why? Because same wire goes here and here also. So all of that will have same potential. अच्छा तो अब बाकी सुन. और कुछ बाकी नहीं? Okay or not okay? What's the use of this capacitor? Nothing. Why nothing? Because the voltage is 0. Why? Because the point above and the point below have same potential. So this capacitor becomes useless because it will not store any charge. Make sense? Okay. Equivalent capacitance is C. આટલા બધા capacitor આપ્યા but equivalent capacitance is C. Method clear? Of course, this is only a basic question, but अलग-अलग pattern ગમે તેવી હોય. But if you follow this line, that wherever the same wire goes, that's the same potential. Okay, wherever the same wire goes, the same potential is there. That's why you can call it A everywhere. Understood? Yes, right? Clear? We will solve or see more questions related to all this the next time. Right? Possibly a few from that end.